If you are nervous about taking a leap, changing, your career choice, I promise you 6 months after, you will be fine. My name is Francisco Smith. I currently am a contractor for Direct Biz Solutions. I'm a contractor for an Army installation in Fort Huachuca. My role as of now is physical security as well as access management. I was a deputy sheriff, and prior to that, I was 10 years in the Army as a military police as well. The reason I signed up for CyberWarrior is I wanted to do something different. I wanted to see what's out there, because you hear people all the time saying, cybersecurity this, cybersecurity that. And in my mind, I'm like, I have no idea what that means, except it's way ahead of who I am. I talked to CyberWarrior and they reassured me that it's okay not to know the background, because a lot of people that are actually in cybersecurity now and the IT field have no background at all. And I could attest 100% that is true. On a personal level, they honestly do care about you. They help me, help me my resume. They help me, my LinkedIn profile. And I still have my instructor's number right now, and I can, message him, hey, how are you doing, on a personal level? And he always says, hey, if you ever need anything, professionally or not, I'm here. And that's just something that's hard to get anywhere else.